Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Torrentio in Stremio. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Chrome app in your PC or laptop. First, click on download Torrentio. After that, the first official website is now here. Then click on Torrentio v0.0.15 best Stremio add-on. After that, the website is now open. Scroll down and now click on install Stremio. Not install, click on configure. After that, the new website is now open. Torrentio.stream.fun, select configure. Now scroll down and now you can select providers, sorting for region, quality features, exclude qualities, max result per quality, video size limit, debit provider. If you want, you can select debit provider. I don't want to add real debit in Stremio. After that, click on install button and now the new pop-up is now here. Open freedom to stream. Now click on open freedom to stream. And there you have it. Open the Stream app and then you will see Stremio add-on pop-up is now here. Then click on configure button. I already installed the Torrentio add-on. Now I am new to here to select this configure button. After that, install or configure the website and now you will search the Torrentio. And now you can see the Torrentio add-on is now installed on my Stremio. And there you have it. You have successfully installed or configured Torrentio in the Stremio. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.